everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let me go ahead and share my trading screen here. All right. Equity markets was closed today. All right. So stock market was closed. Uh, Futures Forex was open. All right. Hey, David. Welcome, David. Welcome. Welcome. All right. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's go over the markets. Okay. Now, like I said, equity markets was closed today. Um, Futures, so US 30, Monster US 30 is still consolidating. Okay, so our US 30 traders, all right, just be careful. All right. This is on the 240-minute time frame, so we are consolidating quite a bit here. All right. Also on the daily time frame. All right, lots of consolidation still in the markup phase. All right, so buy signal here, nice trade going on the daily time frame here. All right, but we are cut between support and resistance. So just be careful if you're going to trade the E-minis. All right, you can trade on a smaller time frame. If you just have to trade, right, you might find some long positions, short positions. All right. Here's a short position going right here. This is on the 5-minute. All right. But any other time frames, right? Anything, longer than a 30-minute, I'll be careful. All right. As far as Forex, let's go through current positions. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Current positions in Monster Scalper. All right. First position, HKD JPY. That's your Hong Kong yen. All right, Hong Kong yen. Guys, remember to draw in your trend lines. This will help you stay in the trade. All right. This will help you stay in the trade. All right. So markdown phase. Here is your markdown phase here. All right. All right. Here's your downward trend line. A buy signal here. All right. Buy signal right here. All right. All green candles, nothing to do. Our target is all the way up here. All right. All the way up here. That's our target. Purpose, support, and resistance, but just nothing to do. Just hold on to the trade. So HKD JPY holding well. USD JPY. So dollar JPY. Again, good markdown phase here, right? Great downward trend line. Buy signal is here. We're in the markup phase, all green candles. All right. Again, purpose, support, and resistance here, but just follow your candles. All green candles, nothing to do. Target is all the way up here. All right. CAD yen. Buy signal is here. Just holding white candles here. All right. So hopefully we could break through that resistance here. A lot of consolidation in here, but it's holding so far. Hey, Betty, welcome, Betty, welcome. Pound yen, great trade going, guys, with pound yen. All right. Here's your markdown phase. Buy signal right here. All right. Buy signal right here. All green candles holding that trend line. So, guys, remember to draw in your trend lines. All right. Just right click on your screen. Go to drawings. All right. Go to drawings here. All right. Trend line and drawing your lines. Okay. So make sure you drawing your lines, right? Your V, right? Your V, just like here, so that you can frame your price. This will help you stay in the trade. Okay. So buy signal here, pound yen moving up nicely. If it gets to this area here, which is not far to that resistance, just remember sellers are sitting in this area here. Let's move this up. All right. So sellers are here. Sellers are here. So if you get a white candle, red candle up in this area here, all right, then close the trade, take profits. Okay. So pound yen, ZAR yen. All right. Buy signal here, holding right here. We need that to break out. We need ZAR yen to break out. Hopefully test the highs up here. Next target up here. All right. Aussie yen, red candle. So close the trade. Okay, so buy signal was here, red candle here, guys. Close the trade. So Aussie yen, please close that trade. Okay. Now, Forex is still consolidating, but that doesn't mean we can't find some opportunities. Okay. Dollar CAD. All right. Dollar CAD. This is a fairly new buy signal. All right. Let's bring in our trend lines. A decent markdown phase. Here is our markup phase here. Now, target on this one is right here. All right. This is where the last previous buy signal failed, right up here. So that's our target. Okay. All right. Here's your markup phase. First trade here. After the markdown phase, did well. We have another buy signal right here, right? Holding nicely. Target is up here. Okay. Dollar CAD, dollar USD SGD. All right. Let's move this. We've gotten past this target here. All right. So buy signal here. Next target. All right. It's gotten for the first target. Next target all the way up here. Buy signal here. All right. Moving up nicely. Some consolidation. All right. If it gets to this area here, guys, your first target here. Next target is all the way up here. Okay. So good trading here with the dollar. Now, we were concerned with the dollar pairs. All right. Sellers coming in. We will take a quick look at the dollar index, see how it's moving. Okay. So, markdown phase, buy signal, all green candles. Right. Next target here. Then hopefully breakthrough, second target here. Okay. So, bring in your lines so you can stay in the trades. Okay. This will help you guys. USD, CNH. All right. Buy signal here. Right, trading right at resistance, here, guys. Nice big candle, green candle came in today. All right, so we just need to get to the highs, hopefully break through resistance here. Next target up here. Okay, so stay in those trades. Pound New Zealand, nice markdown phase here. All right, considering the markets, guys, Forex is consolidating. All right, but even with that, we have some great trades going. Okay, so buy signal here, pound NZD. All right, we're almost at resistance. Okay, hey Michael, welcome, welcome. All right, we're almost at resistance here. All right, looks like we could break resistance, go to the next target all the way up here. Okay, but pay attention to this area. So if anyone is in it, pound New Zealand, we have resistance here. All right, previous support, right? Previous support becomes resistance here, here. We'll count this here, this whole area here, and here we are currently. We're currently right here, buy signal here. So good trade going. The hope is we break through this resistance and then get to this area here. Okay, just hold on to the trade. If you get a white candle, you could hold on. Red candle, sell, get out, take your profits. Okay, otherwise, let it run. Okay, all right. Pound New Zealand, pound Aussie. All right, great trade going here, guys. Pound Aussie. All right, notice how we're staying in these trades. This is on the 240. All right, so don't be quick to get out of these trades. Okay, so nice markdown phase. We have a lot of consolidation in here. All right, buy signal here. So markdown, accumulation, broke resistance. All right, buy signal here, markup. Now in the markup, all green candles, guys. Okay, here we are. Here is resistance here. So we're approaching resistance. Wait to see how the price action reacts to the resistance here. If it breaks through, that's good. All right, that's good. If it fails, gives you a white candle, red candle, white candle, pay attention. Red candle, certainly get out. Sell signal by the system. These white arrows here close the trade. Okay, but great trade here. Right? Again, markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal. All right, all green candles looking to break through resistance here. So that's Aussie, pound Aussie. Okay, so pound New Zealand, great trade. Pound Aussie, great trade. Pound PLN, right? That's your Polish pair, right? First trade did okay. Next trade, buy signal here, breaking resistance. So buy signal right at resistance, breaking resistance target here. All right, here's your next resistance level here. Okay, pound CAD. Same thing. Now, pound CAD, guys, look at these trades. Great trades. All right, great trades going. Bark down phase, accumulation, broke resistance, buy signal here. This blue arrow right here. Here we are right at resistance. Just keep in mind, this is where sellers came in before. Okay, right here. So here we are right here. Pay attention to how the price reacts. This is your resistance here. The goal is we need big candle to come in, right? Big green candle, break through that resistance, test this resistance here. Now, if it breaks through here, let's bring this down. That's just a high. Resistance is right here. If it breaks through this, we might see it move much, much higher. Okay, but right now, just pay attention to how it reacts here. If you get white candles, right, you can hold just like it did here. White candle came in here, followed by a big green candle. So white candles, not a reason to panic, okay? But if you get a red candle, sell signal, right? These are sellers here. These red candles, close the trade, okay? So great trade going here, and that's for a lot of pips here, okay? All right. Let's see here. So we've gone through the yen pairs, dollar pairs, all right? Pound SGD, all right? Another one here, buy signal here. Now, we've got a white candle here. All right, white candle here. Just pay attention. What we need to see happen is we need green candles to come in. So we need buyers to come in. All right, if you get a red candle, sell signal, close the trade. So nothing to panic with this white candle here. We just need green candle to come in. Okay, that's pound SGD, Singapore dollar. Pound Swiss. All right, pound Swiss, that's holding fine. Buy signal is here. This is slowly moving up, right? We have near-term resistance right here. So hopefully you got higher lows right here. Looking to break out. Target is here. This one is moving slowly, but if you notice, slowly moving higher, guys. Okay, so just hold on to the trade. Pound Swiss, pound dollar. All right, pound dollar, red candle, close the trade. All right, so buy signal was here. Red candle broke support right here, broke your trend line right there, close the trade. Okay, we don't want this to happen. All right, or this. So get out, take the loss, close the trade. So pound dollar, close the trade there. Okay, pound HKD, that's holding here, right? It's holding right here. The hope is that we get some follow through green candle. All right, if this gives you a red candle here, I would say go ahead and close the trade. Now it's white, so if it turns white, you guys know sometimes this will happen. If it goes from white to red, right, where the candle hasn't closed, keeps going white to red, right, you might want to just close the trade because we have a lot of resistance here. All right, this is where sellers came in before. Here, even here, and here we are here. So if it turns red, right? If it turns red, even if the candle is still open, you might just want to close the trade. That trade might be over. Okay, that's pound HKD. Euro Aussie, great trade going here. Okay, Euro Aussie. Okay, buy signal here. So now these are the euro pairs, and we have a few euro pairs here. All right, so Euro Aussie, buy signal here, a fairly decent markdown phase for Forex. This isn't bad. Okay, buy signal, broke resistance, all green candles. Looks good, guys. Look at that price action here. All right, looks good to break through that resistance. Buy signal all the way down here. Next target. Now, this looks good to break through. Wouldn't be surprised if it breaks through overnight. Next target all the way up here. If it makes it up here, would be an amazing trade. Okay, but looks good to break through. All right, that's Euro Aussie. Euro dollar. What is this one doing here? All right, I thought we close this. Close the trade. All right, guys, we got red candles here. Close the trade. All right, close the trade there. Nothing there. EURTRY. This one here has been trading well. Buy signal here. Bought here, sold here. Bought here, sold here. We have another buy signal right here. All right, so buy signal here. All green candles. A lot of movement right there, but still holding, following that trend line. So bring in your trend lines, okay, guys, help you stay in the trade. So lots of good trades in Monster Scalper, considering, right, considering um, Forex is consolidating. All right, so good trading, good trading. All right, Forex Dominator. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator. Okay, remember Forex Dominator, we're trading on the daily time frame. These are longs. We do not have any shorts. Okay, guys. I want to show you guys here. So in Monster Scalper, we only showing longs. Now we're starting to see some shorts, some selling come in, but it's been long for a while. Okay, so we're starting to see some selling come in here, but when we looked at this last night, guys, this were all blue. All right, all blue. So keep an eye on it. Forex is consolidating. All right, so these are the only pairs here that are moving. All these here are consolidating. Okay, so we've got about 60% of Forex is consolidating. All right, so just be aware of that for our Forex traders. Just be aware. All right. Aussie CAD in Forex Dominator. So Aussie CAD in Forex Dominator on the daily time frame. Look at this one here. Buy signal is here, guys. Reached its target. All right. If you wanted to, you could have taken profits here on this white candle. But look here, we got a red candle coming in, consolidating for a while. What we need, a big green candle to come in and retest resistance. That's not happening. You see, there's a red candle coming in right here. So I would say don't wait for that candle to close, because this is where sellers are sitting. So that could really, sellers could really come down. Okay, it's in profit right now. So buy signal is here. Here we are right there. Close the trade, take profits. Okay, so Aussie CAD, AUD, CAD, close the trade. Okay, Aussie CAD, close the trade, guys. In Forex Dominator. Okay, New Zealand CAD, buy signal is here, price is here, same thing here. All right, it's consolidating here. Here is where sellers are sitting. Here. All right, similar to Aussie CAD. This is New Zealand CAD. All right, white candle here. We can see where sellers might come in here. All right, almost, this could happen. This could certainly happen, like Aussie, New Zealand CAD. Well, Aussie CAD, this is New Zealand CAD. And it shows here down. So close this trade. All right, we'll close that. New Zealand CAD, a lot of heavy resistance here. Okay, so close the trade. If we saw buyers, if buyers were sitting here holding right at resistance, then we would keep it. That's not good there. So New Zealand CAD, close the trade, please. All right, EURTRY, that's holding well. Previous trade, really well. Euro, EURTRY, buy signal is here. Really good price action, all green, right? Looking to break through resistance, near-term resistance right here. Good price action, nothing to do there, but to hold the trade. USD TRY, very similar. Okay, previous trade did well, even here. All right, this is a fairly new trade we added. All right, a few, what was that, a couple of weeks now? All right, that's fairly new for Forex Dominator. Buy signal here, all green candles, a bit of a pullback right here. All right, but still holding, bringing your trend lines so that helps you stay in the trade. EURCZK, all right, buy signal here. A bit of a pullback here. We talked about this trade here. All right, had some white candles. This is what we love to see, guys. White candles here, big green candle. All right, big green candle. Buyers came in right at resistance. We do need to get past this area here, past that resistance. Previous trade, nice trade here. So we know, right, it's trading nicely in the markup phase. We just need to break through, stay above resistance, continue to move higher. EURCZK. Pound, GBP, PLN. This is a fairly new one, guys. This is the type of trades you want to set up. Okay, I'm gonna open this out. These are the type of trades we want. All right. Find the trades that have good setups, good markdown phase. We need those sellers, all right, before we can buy. All right. We need sellers to bring in that price lower so we can buy. Okay, it's like a rubber band. The lower it goes, right, it's gonna swing back up. All right, so buy signal here, markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal, broke resistance. The resistance is right here, right here. Buy signal moving up nicely. First target is right here. Okay, so good setup here. Next target on this one. All right, if it can get past this area here, we'll bring this in for now. Next target is over here where the previous buy signal fails. And then if it can make it past there, just want to show you guys where to set your targets. The next area where the previous buy signal, where sellers came in, is all the way up here. Okay, but start with here. Let's see if we can get it up to this area there. All right, GBP, PLN. Okay, we doing good on time. All right, pound SGD, pound SGD. All right, that's an early one. All right, buy signal is here. Here's your markdown phase. All right, here's your V. All right, here's your V. Buy signal right here, target right here. Okay, all right. Now we don't have any new picks for Forex. Okay, so but we have a ton of positions that we're in. And not bad considering the market. Okay, now last night we went over stock boss, current positions. I know the market was closed today, so these trades are from Friday. Okay, all right, Friday's price action. So we'll spend some time going through Bull Master, look at current positions in Bull Master, see how we need to manage those positions tomorrow when the market opens. Okay, all right. Just remember, Bull Master, these are stocks that are over $10. Okay, over $10, mainly large cap stocks. Okay, all right, and we'll go through these quickly. We're doing good on time. All right. Just remember, red candle will get out. We'll close the trade. Okay, red candle, close the trade. A white candle, just pay attention to those trades. Sell signal by your system, white arrow here, absolutely close the trades. Okay, all right. Now, as far as the equity markets, we're still holding fine. This is the Dow on the daily, S&P, nice price action. The NASDAQ, Russell, okay, so they're holding fine. Big picture. So Dow, big picture, still holding above resistance on the weekly time frame. This is all-time highs, all right? So in all-time highs, market's never been this high before, all right? NASDAQ, holding right here. S&P, right at all-time high territory right here. This right here, that high price right here was in 2022. Here we are right now, 2024. So that's a big deal, okay? That's a big deal. All right. All right, so Bull Master stocks. All right. AA, that's holding. All right, AAN, all right, that's holding. I would definitely keep an eye on this one. If we get selling in the markets tomorrow, in the equity markets, we could see sellers come in, red candle here. So keep an eye on this one, okay? It broke support, white candle here. So we need buyers, definitely need buyers to come in, okay? So if anyone is in that trade. All right, this is holding. That's holding. This one here is holding, looks good. This is fine. Just know that resistance is here. Sellers are here. A bit of a pullback buy signal here, holding nicely here, right? Small white candles. We just need buyers to come in. Green candles move higher, test resistance, hopefully break through. Okay. Um, ATEC. Okay. Right. Buy signal here, nearing resistance here. Okay. This is where sellers are sitting. So always be aware what's above. Okay. Always be aware of your resistance above. Okay. Where sellers are. All right. AVD, close the trade. Okay. So buy signal was here. Really good, too bad here. Really good markdown phase. Lots of good selling. Buy signal was here at 1068. Red candle right here. Red candle broke support. Close the trade, please. Okay. Close the trade. So AVD, close the trade. AVD, close the trade, please. AY, buy signal was here at 1961. Red candles came in here. All right, broke support, red candles, closed the trade. All right, closed on Friday, 2030. So close the trade, please. AY. So make sure, guys, you go through your trades, clean those positions, right? Remove them. All right, remove them. All right, this is what could happen if we stay in. Take those red candles. That's why they're color coded. All right, take those red candles seriously. They're breaking support. When they break support, they can go much lower. Okay. All right, AV. All right, that's holding. That's holding. Holding. That's holding. All right, this one here nearing its target right here. All right, so keep an eye on it. If the market gets, if we get selling the rest of the week here, right, we might see where it fails to break resistance here. So candle by candle by candle. Okay. All right, that's holding. White candles, just pay attention to those white candles too. Okay, holding. All right, this one closed. CERT, good markdown phase too. Okay, buy signal here, broke support, sell signal by our system. So close the trade. All right, so buy signal here was at 1477. Broke support right here, your yellow line right here, closed on Friday at 1579. Close the trade, please. All right. All right, CNHI, all right, white candle there. Keep an eye on that. We need a bounce. We need buyers to come back in on that one. CSIQ, close the trade. All right, red candles, guys. Treat those red candles like sell signals, okay? All right, so buy signal was here at 2366, closed. This actually closed on Thursday. All right, $22, 22.34, closed the trade. Okay, red candle right here. This is what we don't want to have happen. Okay, we want to take quick losses. All right, quick losses, small losses, big wins. All right, this one here, right at resistance, all green candles. Okay, hopefully buyers come in tomorrow, will break through, and then next target, let's go ahead, since it's breaking through, we'll bring in second target over here. This is where it gapped down. All right, this is where it gapped down here and gapped up here. Look at that. So gap down here, gapped up here. Here we are right here. Good chance if buyers come in, we could see it gap up here. All right, traders will, and look at this, gap down here, gapped up here, gap down here. So this area here, if it fills that area, boy, we could see buyers really come in. Okay, if it gets past this area, next target all the way up here. All right, but play it right here. Okay, all right, so nothing to change there. All right, this one closed. CYR, RX. All right, buy signal was here. We can control, guys, what buyers and sellers are doing. Okay, so yes, we hope it's going to get to this target here, but this one didn't. Okay, so broke support. Buy signal was at 13.99, closed at 14.61. So take profits, close the trade. Okay, if it breaks resistance up in this area here, we could get another buy signal and then we might get back in. Okay, so close the trade. CYRX. Okay, all right, let's keep going. All right, Cavana, too bad here on Cavana. All right, CVNA, buy signal was hit. This one reached resistance. Okay, let's see here. That's too bad. We were looking for a target all the way up here, guys. That buy signal came in right at 40, right? We were looking for a target at 151. That's too bad, right? It broke out nicely there, but came back down. So buy signal was at 41.14 right here, closed. Red candle, 42.78. We were hoping that, guess what? We get some buyers to come back in and retest. So that's too bad on this one here. So close it. All right, CVNA, close the trade, please. All right, don't hope that it's going to come back. All right, we could get sellers to come in and look at this here, right? They love selling this stock. Okay, look at that. When these red candles come in, I know we want to stay in this trade and hope, right? Look at that. So that first candle, right? Red candle, close the trade, guys. Okay. There are other opportunities, Okay. All right. All right. CWH, that's holding. DOCN, that's holding. DV, holding well. DX, holding. That's holding. EL, close the trade, please. All right, red candle came in. All right, buy signal was at 146. Now this is bull master, so these are large cap stocks. So that's expensive for us, 145, but you could trade call options, but not on this one here. Okay. All right, so EL, close the trade, please. All right, ENPH. All right, red candle here. So guys, we're seeing some selling. All right, we're seeing some positions close. So be aware of that. Okay, so buy signal was 124. Sell signal 124. Sell signal 110. Close the trade. Red candle, first red candle here. Close the trade. We do not want this to happen. Sellers to really get aggressive. Okay. All right. Depending on how the markets finish this week, we might move those indexes to a 240-minute time frame. Okay, depending on how the markets. If we get selling, okay, and sometimes we had the Christmas rally, guys. Okay, we had the Christmas rally, so expect some selling to come in. All right, in January. So ENV, that's holding. Buy signal here. That's trading up nicely there. Okay. All right, that's holding. We're halfway there. EXAS, red candle. All right. Close the trade. Previous resistance becomes support. Buy signal here at 69. All right, 69.82. Closed on Friday, 67.12. Close the trade. Okay, red candle here. That's your sell signal. Close the trade. EXAS. All right, EXPI, close the trade. All right, buy signal was at 1586. Broke support, red candle, right here, close the trade 1385, actually 1336, close the trade. Okay, remember, these are sellers, right? These red candles. Okay. EYE, holding. GMED, holding. GPS, holding. Purpose support, buy signal was here at $12, guys. Closed on Friday at 20.24. Purpose support and resistance, white candle here. I would pay attention to this, okay? We have resistance here, all right? Now, we had two targets. First target gapped up, right here, gapped up, all right? But keep an eye on this here, okay? If anyone is in it, there, keep an eye on it here, okay? All right, that's holding. 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 Purpose support and resistance, pay attention. You don't have to close the trade, just pay attention. Like this one here, purpose support and resistance. Just remember, purpose support and resistance, right? That means we're getting lower highs, lower lows within the markup phase. So price is slowing down. Not a reason to close the trade, but certainly pay attention to it, okay? KMX, close the trade, please, right? Made a spike up to its target and came back down here, closed the trade. If you wanted to, you could have gotten out here, okay? But close the trade. So buy signal was at 69.09, right? Closed on Friday, 69.58, all right? So close the trade, please. Sellers can come in. Look at the sellers here, sellers here, sellers here, okay? So get out. KMX, all right? No emotions, all right? All right, so KMX, close the trade, please. That's holding, holding, holding. All right, MARA, all right? That's too bad on this one. I think we had a second target. Yeah, oh my God. It reached its second target, guys. All right, pull back, all right? Didn't hold, broke support here. All right, it broke support on Friday. We were hoping that, boy, it would just hold here. But this one candle here broke support, give us a red candle. So we got to close the trade. That's too bad. Buy signal was at 1065, closed on Friday, 1898, closed the trade, okay? If it gets back, see red candle here, guys, this is where sellers are sitting. Sellers are sitting here and here. So that could come back all the way back down, okay? Great trade going. Just hope that it, had held, okay? So, all right. So MARA, close the trade, please, okay? Take profits, close the trade. All right, that's holding. Uh, 15 more minutes and we'll be done, guys. Okay. MSTR, all right, buy signal was here, all right, at 410, all right, closed on Thursday, red candle here. This was Friday, closed the trade, okay? Still in profit here. Close the trade. MSTR. There is something definitely going on in the market, okay? They're still holding a lot of these positions, but some of these positions are closing. So they're getting out of some of these positions. So just be aware of that. Just be aware of that. That's holding, 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 holding. White candle, keep an eye on those. White candle there. RIOT, Riot, all right, closed, all right. Buy signal was here at 1146, right? Closed If you got out on Thursday, you would have gotten out here. On Friday, it got down here. Okay, so close the trade, please. Get out on that first red candle, okay? If you want, if you're watching it closely, you can get out on these white candles, okay? You can get out on these white candles. You don't have to wait for the red candles. You can get on these white candles also, okay? We leave the white candles in here for educational purposes, but you can get out, right? If it's in profit, you can certainly get out. Like this is a good example here, guys. All right, buy signal was here at 9:39 was the buy signal. All right, closed on Friday at 11:83. We know we have resistance here, a lot of resistance here. This is where sellers came in, and here we are right here with a white candle. All right, there's nothing wrong with taking profits, at least some profits off the table. Okay, you might leave a small position or just close the whole position. Okay, especially if we see the market is getting a bit weak. All right, hold in. All right, SLAB, right? Red candle here, close the trade. Okay, so buy signal was right at 115, 118, closed on Friday, closed the trade. Okay, red candle here, right? We don't want this to happen, or this. Okay, close the trade. SLAB, almost done. All right, SMTC, all right, that one closed. All right, buy signal was at 21.92, closed on Friday, 19.06, closed the trade. All right, look at sellers coming in heavy. All right, so SMTC. I am curious to see how the market will open tomorrow. Snap still holding. That's good to see. All right. Buy signal here on Snap at 10:41. Closed on Friday, 16:43. Our next target, all right, it's gotten past that first resistance. Next target all the way up here at 27. We'll see if it holds. Purple support and resistance. I tell you, if it gives a white candle here, guys, just close the trade, right? Close the trade, take profits, okay? SNAP. All right, that's holding. That's holding. Holding. TSEM, good markdown phase here. All right, but guess what? We got a sell signal. We've got to close the trade. Okay, so buy signal was here, broke support. So buy signal was at 27.12, closed on Friday 29.14. That's too bad. We had a target all the way up here, but guess what? All right, buy signal. Look at the previous buy signal. All right, this one here failed. Look at sellers came in. This buy signal here failed. This is a small loss. This is a small loss. All right, look at that. If you stay in these trades after the sellers come in, this is what could happen. Okay, so take that small profit here, get out. Okay, all right. This market can turn. It's been moving higher since October. It's due for some selling. Okay. All right. TSEM. All right. All right. Same thing. All right. Red candle here. Get out. Close the trade. Buy signal was at 31.51. Closed on Friday, 34.59. Close the trade, please. The symbol U. And do this, follow this process, guys, with every single instrument, not just equities, everything, futures, right? Forex, every single instrument that you trade on every time frame, also on every time frame. VRDN, that's holding. All right, we're right on time. Right on time. All right, that's holding. White candles, pay attention. WBA, WBA. All right, let's remove this. Buy signal here was at 23, closed 23.66, closed on Friday. 23.27, closed the trade. Okay, red candle came in here. Okay, we treat those red candles just like sell signals. Here, these white arrows there. Okay, all right. All right, WOLF. All right, that's too bad here. This one broke support. This was Wednesday. All right, so anyone is in it, close that trade. Buy signal was at 37. Right, your sell signal came in at 30, right at 36.94. All right, if you're still in it, you should not be still in the trade. Okay, so WOLF, close the trade. Okay, and one more, and we'll be done. All right, XRAY, that's holding. All right, holding. This one here, guys, here we are. We're near that target. All right, we've seen sellers coming in. All right, not across the board, but enough to be concerned. So I would say if this one gets a white signal, a white candle anywhere in this area, just close the trade. Okay, those of you trading with white candles, right? You get white candles, really assess those trades. Okay, you might just want to close them, take profits. Okay, all right. So the sectors, we looked at the sectors. The sectors are holding. Sectors are holding. All right. Indexes are holding. I mean, they're holding, but boy, I mean, VIX is down. All right, VIX is down, very low, but these positions are closing. All right, they're closing some of these positions, so we have to be aware of that. All right, something internally is going on. Okay, so just be aware of that. And this is the time when they close positions, where we'll get, usually historically in January after the Christmas rally, that's when we get some selling, some correction in the markets. Okay, so just be aware of that, our equity traders. So Bullmaster, Stock Boss traders, just be aware of that. Okay, all right, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Right, equity markets will be open tomorrow. Our Forex traders, we've got some positions, but be careful. Forex is consolidating. US 30 traders, I would wait. Just wait for a breakout. Okay. And we've moved it to the 240-minute time frame on the US 30. All right. To make sure that things are breaking out. Okay. So here we are on the US 30. So you might find some opportunities on the smaller time frame. Okay. But guys, if the market, we're looking at what the market is doing, we could see sellers come in here on the US 30. US 30, that's the Dow. That's the Dow 30. Okay, so this move here could be done. All right, that might be over here. Okay, so just be aware of that. All right, just be aware of that. All right, we'll track it. We'll know. Okay, if we get a short, let's see here. All right, we don't have a short here. If we get a short, if it breaks support here, all right, the market is low tomorrow. All right, we get a short signal. If it breaks support here, we'll send that out. Okay, we'll send that out. All right, but the market, it's due for correction. Okay, all right, guys. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. And David, it's so great to see you, David. So great to see you on here. Okay, buddy. Take care, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.